So, body filler work on the back is almost done. See, I have to add a bit more here somewhere, but it's hard to see now. So many different colors. So once I have the primer on, if I need a bit more body filler, I'll do that. And to repair this part here, I welded a flat bar here and then an angle, a little, it's a 1/2 inch angle on the side. Already welded all along the side here. I had to do a bit of work over here as well. Looks like it's a bit dark. There we go. Oh, there. Yeah, it does make a mess. I had to lay down here on the trunk. This is what it's looking like here in the front fender. This part here was the one that required more work. It's a fairly thick angle. So from here to here it's straight. Then here I had to curve it, and then here I had to curve it quite a bit. And I curved it without cutting. Just by a cold hammering. Blacksmith. In the back here I have actually used a piece of round bar